Babe, what you doing?
Look at this new thing I just got.
Wow, that is so cool.
Yeah, plus it runs entirely on solar power and even stores.
Hey, come on, man. The water will automatically come out and so beautiful. Let's go to test. The sun is very strong, but I don't know why. No water come out. Now the magic come. Wow! Amazing! Look! Nice! So beautiful! When the lights on, it will stop. Close. Only no lights, it will working. So in the daytime, you need the sun give it the power, and it will in the night it will working. Wow, so beautiful. It depends on the light. No lights. Lights on. Amazing, right? I will give it 5 stars. I like it so much.